Howdy, howdy, howdy. It's been another hot day in the shop. It was only 102 in here today. I didn't do it. Excuse me. I didn't do anything in here yesterday. Took the day off because the day before just about killed me, it felt like. Even though I took plenty of breaks, plenty of liquid, it wore me out. Something fierce. I didn't even go to PT yesterday. Just didn't feel up to it. So, yeah, let me turn this around and I'll show you where I'm at. Both the exhaust is all done. Got them pulled in like I wanted. They're tucked up higher now. They both wrap around the diff with plenty of air clearance, so I don't have to worry about it heating up the gear oil. This is it from above. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to focus on finishing cleaning up the frame, spots like that, up here, here, same thing on the other side, and get it all cleaned up, and then I'll get it painted, and then the back half is done. I just got to extend my fuel tank wire for my float level. I'm about 3 feet short, I think it is. So I'll do that. Get that buttoned up once I anchor the fuel tank again. Shocks are painted, ready to go in. They're hanging up there. Yeah, this has been a challenge doing this exhaust work. But, I did forget. Still have to work on that sway bar. Just check that out. Let's see. Ouch. Well, too much stuff's in the way. Darn it. Well, shoot, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to feed it in over from underneath and go over the top of everything. I was thinking about it. I may have to shorten these uprights. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Supposed to go to the outside of the frame. Well, that ain't gonna work either. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll take these uprights off and then get it set in place and go from there. What I'm thinking, I'll have to measure it, is this outside spacing on both sides. Because if they're equal, this ain't gonna work with this axle. Because the Sterling axle that was in the F350, the diff set centered, where the 9-inch sits offset to the passenger side. So that sway bar may not even mount or work. Not without a lot of modifications. I don't know. Excuse me. I'll figure it out one way or another, whether it'll work or not. But I think the thing to do is get these uprights off so I can go from there. So I'll put it up on the workbench. I gotta order new head harnesses for 2 of my helmets. Let me spray those down real quick. Today I used my deco. I need to change the outer lens cover because I could hardly see out of it. Doobie doobie. as I've heard some people say. I'll let that soak good. I'll spray it again before I go in. It's 5 after 7 now. So about 7:30 I'll spray it again. Go in, eat me some supper, take a shower. I was so tired the last 2 nights I didn't even turn the TV on to watch my YouTube videos of other builders. I did pick up, or my transmission pan gasket came in, so I got that. And I got the new gasket for underneath the carburetor and stuff, because the one that's on there now is for a square bore that's all open, and that's a dual plane intake, so there was no center piece, and it was blowing through from side to side and stuff. So I'll replace that tube, but one step at a time. The guy that was supposed to come over this weekend and hook up my main electric hasn't contacted me yet. So I don't know if he's going to come over. I guess I should message him and see if he's coming this weekend. If not, I'll do it myself. And hold on. Excuse me. Oh, good grief. Don't know where that came from. Yeah, I'll do it myself if he doesn't show up. I just have to go get a 200 amp breaker to put in the main pole outside. I'll show you that box because a lot of people don't know what I'm talking about. The house is a manufactured home, and you have a metered box out here, and your power comes from the main pole back over there up to here, and then goes into here. And so I need to come off that box, come down through there into the shop, and I need to also change out the breakers for the house to 100 amp, because they have 250s in there right now, and I'd rather have 100 amp on it and stuff, and just hook to one side of it because it's a 2-pole breaker. But anyways, yeah, do that, and then I can just tie into my main power panel in here. And then I'll have power. So that'd be nice. Yeah. I'm so tired. And the heat's getting to me. I was going to blow out the shop because I was cleaning up my mess. Got all ready to blow out all the debris and dirt. And realized I just got done rolling up the air hose. So, oh well, tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So I think I'll end this here. Hope y'all had a good day. Hope your week's all been good for y'all and stuff. We'll catch you later. Y'all have a good night. I'm out.